Okay, let's get this thing done. So basically I'm taking off this old outdated fan a little bit at a time. It's got this big, huge base, so I was a little bit confused on how I might do that. So I just took it one step at a time, one screw at a time, and little by little this thing came down. I'm taking off the fan blades right now, and then once I got it to one, I thought I might could slide that base around the blade. The blade was just a little bit too wide, so I was able to kind of hold it there while I unscrewed it and got rid of it. Now I'm at the ceiling. I was worried that the hole would be huge. Thankfully, once I got everything taken down, the hole was just wide enough for me to be able to fit the base of the new one in. So yes, got this thing off and done. And now it's time to paint real quick the ceiling so that it can dry while I unbox the new fan. Here she is, man. This thing is legit. I'm so pumped to go to a modern fan. Now, it's got a receiver that goes into the top. I'm hoping it fits, and we will get into that in a second. I'm cutting the wires to work up through the post here. Everything kind of goes just as a normal fan. I've installed, by this point in my life, lots. Pull it all through, get it all connected, everything's good. Now I am going to add the receiver in there and hope for the best here. So I got him connected. Once he's good to go, we're ready to hang this bad boy. Back at the ceiling, I'm installing the hanger plate, and now there's the receiver box. Luckily, it fits right in that hole, thank goodness. And I'm gonna hang it on there and wire this guy up. So wiring it was easy, no big deal at all. And then I just moved all the wires around to get them stuffed in there. And yes, the hardest part seems to be over. Now I'm hooking in the LED light. It plugs in there and then screws in once I'm ready. But before I did so, I wanted to test it out with the remote, and yes, we are good to go. Next is the fan spinning, and yep, there it goes. Booyah. So the remote works and the receiver works, so I am good to go. I can finish installing. So now I'm adding the 3 fan blades, so I slide them in and then screw them in. Super easy. Okay. Next, I add the LED light there. It's 3 screws, get that nice and tight. After that, I'm putting the light cover on, and it just twist locks in place. Then I tighten up those screws at the very top of the ceiling, and we are good to go. Quick test of the remotes, and this thing is working great. That receiver and remote synced up, no problem. Love it. Yes, I'm so glad I took the time to replace that old outdated fan with this new modern one. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you've got any questions, comment below and I'll do my best to respond. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.